Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to build dashboards with visualizations and widgets in Grafana step by step. If you want to monitor data, track performance, or create visual reports, this guide will help you build your first dashboard easily. Let's get started. Grafana is a popular data visualization tool used to create dashboards, charts, and monitoring panels from multiple data sources. Here's how to build dashboards in Grafana. Step 1. Log in to Grafana. First, open your web browser and go to your Grafana dashboard URL. Sign in using your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will see the Grafana home interface. Step 2. Add a data source. Before creating a dashboard, you need a data source. Click Connections or Data Sources from the sidebar. Then click Add Data Source and choose a source such as Prometheus, MySQL, PostgreSQL, InfluxDB. Enter the required connection details and click Save and Test. Step 3. Create a new dashboard. Now go to the sidebar and click Dashboards. Select New Dashboard, then click Add Visualization. This will open the Visualization Editor. Step 4. Choose your data source. At the top of the panel editor, select the data source you connected earlier. Now you can start building a query to fetch the data you want to visualize. Step 6. Create a query. In the query editor, write a query based on your data source. For example, if using Prometheus, you might query metrics like CPU usage or memory usage. Once you run the query, the data will appear in the preview panel. Step 7. Select a visualization type. Grafana offers different visualization types such as time series graphs, bar charts, pie charts, stat panels, tables, gauge widgets. Choose the visualization that best represents your data. Step 8. Customize the panel. You can customize the widget by editing options like title, colors, axis labels, thresholds, legend settings. This helps make the dashboard easier to understand. Step 9. Add more widgets. Click Add Panel to include more visualizations on the same dashboard. You can combine different widgets to monitor multiple metrics at once. Step 10. Save the dashboard. Once everything is set up, click Save Dashboard. Give it a name and confirm. Your dashboard will now be ready to use. Important tip. You can also use dashboard variables to filter data dynamically, which makes dashboards more interactive for different environments or servers. And that's it. That's how you build dashboards with visualizations and widgets in Grafana step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.